If you're feeling anxious, stressed, panicked, worried, or just had a crappy day, this is a love letter for you with a little practice to help you. So, dear sensitive soul, if it's one of those days when feelings and voices within your body are screaming loudly, maybe really loudly, if change has been forced upon you, or if the rug has been pulled out from under your feet, if what you had has been lost or taken from you, and you've been thrown into a sudden abyss of darkness and uncertainty, or if your way is lost, or you've lost your vision, become directionless, disoriented, confused, worried, and you don't know what to do, who or where to turn to. Your body may be panicking. You might be fearful and anxious, desperate and scrambling to find a way out of your situation. Your nervous system will be automatically making you react into fight, flight, freeze, or fawn to keep you safe. But don't rush to take the first step that comes to mind to get you out of your experience and away from where you don't want to be, unless the house is on fire or you're in some other kind of immediate danger. Don't scramble to retrace your steps to find out where you went wrong to end up in this place, for nothing is wrong despite what you might think. This may be confusing, but stay with me and you'll understand. And to that voice inside you that is beating you up, blaming you, telling you how useless and hopeless you are, how you've stuffed everything up and are or will be a failure or die lonely and destitute, say in as fierce and commanding voice you can muster, shut up, go away, leave me alone. And if you can't say it for yourself, I'm saying those words for you. Instead, take some long and slow deep breaths and carve out a space to rest exactly where you are, even if it's just for a few minutes as you listen to this. The discomfort you feel isn't something you have to fight or abandon, nor is it something you have to escape or even figure out. Although I know you might want to do any or all of these things when it's intense, and that's okay. But there is another way I will show you. So find a current of compassion and kindness for the feelings and sensations in your body and your experience. You can call it in from God, Goddess, the universe, Mother Mary, Kuan Yin, Mother Earth, a loved one or friend. You can think of a mother gently rocking her crying baby and soothing them with gentle words and hushes, and feeling what that feels like in your own body. You might like to rock your own body backwards and forwards or side to side, or even gently hug yourself. And feel compassion within those movements. And if none of that works, then hear and feel the frequency of compassion in my words, because I have so much compassion for you, dear one. Slow down and be here, where you are, breathing and feeling compassion. I'm right here with you. Feel your feet on the ground and your connection to the earth. Allow or imagine any emotions or sensations in your nervous system or around your body or in your body to just gently flow down through your torso, through your legs, and out of your feet into the earth to discharge. Mother Earth knows how to compost and recycle, and she knows how to hold you. So feel her beneath your feet, or beneath your chair, supporting you, holding you in place. And feeling compassion wrap gently around you and hold you. It's like a blanket wrapped around either your body or around your aura, keeping you in a little bubble. You can invite compassion into your cells and tissues, into your bones. You can invite it into emotions and into any body symptoms or pain you might have. And as compassion soothes your body and you reground in the present moment, you may notice that your system is quieter. You feel safer. And maybe the fear, anxiety, worry, panic, stress, sadness, or disappointment will begin to subside. You can stay here breathing, feeling compassion and allowing emotion to run into the earth for as long as you need. And you can return to this practice whenever you need. Through breath and being, you can be with and befriend your experience. Befriend yourself and your life right now. It needs you, and you need you.